Your posture could be making you less confident, more tired, and less polished. And even when your outfit is perfect. In this video, I'm gonna give you a 5-minute routine that can immediately change the way you enter a room. Your posture speaks first.
Welcome to Icon with Georgie Miller, fashion, beauty, and content creation mentorship.
Hello my icons! Mwah! Welcome back to the Georgie Miller Show. Today I am going to be sharing a 5-minute posture reset that is going to change your mornings. The way you start your day with more intention is gonna actually elevate your presence. And the most important, you're gonna feel more intentional. Now, one thing that you have to know is that posture, it is not about standing stiff. It is nothing about forcing your shoulders either backwards way too much, or even be pretending that you are the most confident person in the room when you are really not. And I am being guilty of that for most of my life. I have been the shyest person in the world, but I got tired of it. And it was all about a mindset, you guys. It was just the way I was thinking about myself. That was pretty much it. One thing that I discovered is that good posture is about creating space in your body. It's creating that poise. It's about creating that space to move, to breathe, not feeling rushed or afraid to stand out. And that was the mindset I was having. It was not easy, but with practice, I got so damn good at it. And that's when I really started to make more money and my opportunities starting to grow because I was taking more space. I was actually being seen and taken seriously, which for years again, I was never, ever taken seriously. But that changed, obviously. I struggle sometimes to fall asleep at nighttime. So what I like to do is just like put some relaxing sounds like a Kenny G, something very mellow. That's how old school I am. So no Britney, no Madonna, no all of the stuff that we like during the day. Something that is gonna take you away your mind from your tasks next day. So what I've been doing is literally, I write things down at night so I don't have to think about it because my mind keeps going at night. I take a warm shower, pop this in for 10-15 minutes, and it helps me fall asleep way quicker. And it has a built-in speaker, which doesn't wake up my husband, which is such actually a blessing for me. And I've been enjoying it. So I've been using this eye mask and I am obsessed. So you can hear the music there, hear Britney. So you can actually listen to music while you relax. Like it has a very good amount of pressure, but it doesn't hurt, but you really feel it. And what I like about it too is that it has this cold mode, and then you can do both. So it goes from cold to warm. It's so relaxing. I absolutely love this. And also this massage here like on my temple. Sometimes I just need to relax for a little bit for like 10 minutes. And the Bluetooth connects so quick, oh my god. This is metal, so when it gets cold, it gets cold. I thought I was gonna use this at night, which totally is great to use at night, but I've been using it in the middle of the day. Especially if you work from home and you wanna relax for a little bit, this kind of recharge your energy. Everything is very well made. This is super soft. The padding in here is not gonna scratch your face. Even the metal in here, it is very gentle. The massage, not a lot of pressure. If you wear eye contacts like I do, just take them out, otherwise they're gonna move and it's not a pleasant feel. So do the warming one in here, and with that gentle pressure, migraines and sinuses and insomnia are gonna be alleviated. This is a great hack. So hacks like this with technology, thank God for it. It doesn't have 100 buttons. I like that. I don't like complicated. I don't like things when you have 25 things in here that I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. And I don't use half of it. When it has 20 buttons, I'm like, I don't have time. And it is absolutely easy. Everything is quality from the actual product to the actual pouch. Definitely pay attention to your health because this is part of it. Thank you so much, Bob and Brad, for introducing me to this product. It has been a game changer in my beauty routine. Love it. It is a wellness product that it is essential. All right, let's keep watching. Now we're gonna start with yourself moving gentle, not rushing, not walking fast. Take a deep breath and you're gonna start moving slow down. I don't give a damn whoever is rushing you. You set the tone, you set the time. You start to feel more intentional. You need to create that space for you. So make sure that you are slowing down first. Now, for the exercises, never force your body to the point you're gonna be in pain and that you're gonna feel uncomfortable. For the first movement, you're going to take a deep breath. Before the first movement, take one slow breath. You're going to inhale through your nose and you're going to allow your ribs to expand. When you exhale, you're gonna immediately start releasing all the pressure and the stress that we carry in our jaws. Also in the neck and the shoulders. When you exhale, all of those three areas are going to start to relax. Less contraction. Keep in mind, this is not a punishment for your body. Actually, all the opposite. We are resetting our entire bodies. Even when I'm filming here with you, I feel now that I'm even slowing down doing my speech here in front of the camera. You see the power of breathing. It is literally magical. Now, the first actual movement, it is called the wall angels. You're going to stand comfortably against the wall and you're going to bring your arms in a goal pose position. Slowly slide your arms upwards and then bring them back down. Keep the movement controlled. Avoid arching your lower back and do not force your arms to remain against the wall when your mobility does not allow it. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to open the chest and remind the upper back how to support you. It is like I would describe this as a very gentle mini workout to strengthen your back and your upper torso. Next, we have shin tucks. This movement is especially helpful after spending long periods looking down at a phone or laptop or tablet. Keep your eyes facing forward and guide your head straight backward. Do not drop your shin toward your chest. Think of creating length throughout the back of your neck. Hold the position for 5 seconds, release and repeat 10 times. The movement is small, but small adjustments can completely change how you carry your head and neck. The third movement is the shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand tall without lifting your shoulders toward your ears. Gently bring your shoulder blades towards one another. Imagine you're holding a narrow silk ribbon between them, not crushing it, simply keeping it like in a place. Hold for about 8 seconds. Release and repeat up to 12 times. This movement helps awaken the muscles that supports a more open and confident upper body. The fourth movement, it is the cat-cow movement. And it kind of sounds like funny. Actually, I have to research some of the technical terms because I was actually doing them. I have no idea what was the proper term for it. Begin on your hands and knees. As you inhale, allow your chest to open and your spine to move into a comfortable arch. As you exhale, gently run your spine and allow your head to follow naturally. Do not rush. Let your breathing control the movement. Perform a smaller seated version by opening your chest as you inhale and gently rounding as you exhale. And now we have reached the movement I told you about, how you enter a room. Stand with your feet grounded and your knees relaxed. Imagine the crown of your head being lifted gently upward. Allow your shoulders to open without forcing them backward. Engage your core lightly and let your arms fall naturally. Then look forward. Not upward, not downward, forward. You're gonna hold this position for 30 seconds and continue breathing. And this is not about trying to look larger than everyone else. It is about refusing to make yourself look smaller. Whoa angels, chin tucks, shoulder blade squeezes, gentle cat-cow, and your icon power posture. Complete this routine every single morning for 7 days. But instead of either judging yourself in the mirror or analyzing yourself, you're not going to do that. You're going to pay attention on how you feel. And I gotta tell you, the first day, you're gonna feel silly. Continue to do it. I promise you, it's going to change so much about your posture. The question that you have to ask yourself when you do the exercise: do you feel more present for you when you enter a room? Are you looking forward instead of looking down? The big question is, how do you feel? Not how do you look. Posture is not simply on the way you actually look. The posture actually influences the way you carry your clothes, your accessories, your tone of voice. Actually, it influences the way that you even plan your day and your goals ahead, pretty much in life. This is gonna help you communicate so much better with people, and it's gonna take space. You want to take space and you want to feel and be seen. No need to hide any longer. This is a new start that you deserve. Your body deserves way more than being compared, than being criticized. If you are already feeling, yes, this is for me, I am so ready to take this to the next level, I want to make an invitation for you. This is my very first manual that I have actually released on my website, georgiemiller.com. I have two versions, English and Spanish. So on the description below, you're gonna find the link of my website so you can actually get started right away. So it's like something so simple can make a world of a difference. How something so small can change your life. Alright my icons, I hope you have enjoyed this video. You already know your assignment, you know what to do. So before you leave, please give me a like right over here, because that way I can actually teach the algorithm that this video means something for you and that you're actually going to be sharing it and using it, and that way I can actually keep making more videos for you, so you get to grow here with me and keep growing a beautiful community of icons to actually elevate your life to ways that you never thought it was possible. That's my mission in life, to inspire you, to get you out of the closet, to get you out of that comfort zone because you are afraid to be seen, afraid to shine, and I was there, and this is my mission in life and my mission here on this platform. And needless to say, if you find this valuable, click subscribe right in there. That way you don't miss anything, and the alert button is very important. That way you know when I'm actually live here on the platform. All right, take care. Thank you so much, and get to work in your posture. Stop shrinking, start getting space, and be the icon of your own life.